Imagine a world where superheroes exist, and among them, there is one who isn't bitten by a spider or born with superpowers. Instead, he uses his brilliant mind to fight villains. We are talking about the famous Iron Man, also known as Tony Stark. Today, we are going to uncover some incredible technology inventions created by Iron Man that you might not know about, but we'll explain them in a way even a fifth grader can understand. So, buckle up and get ready for a tech adventure. Let's start with the most famous piece of tech, the Iron Man suit itself. This isn't just any ordinary suit. It's made of a super strong material called titanium alloy, which is really light but much harder than iron. Imagine wearing a super light armor that can protect you from bad guys. The suit can also fly. That's thanks to small jet engines on the boots and tiny rockets on the back, letting Iron Man zoom through the sky like a fast airplane. Doesn't that sound cool? Now, every superhero needs some awesome features. Iron Man's suit has something called a repulsor built into its palms. Think of it like a high-powered flashlight that can push things away. Imagine if a bad guy is coming towards Iron Man, and he needs to push the villain back. He points his hand and with a burst of energy pushes them far away, just like using the Force in Star Wars. There's something else you might find really exciting. Inside Tony Stark's home, there is a supercomputer system called JARVIS, which stands for just a rather very intelligent system. JARVIS isn't your average computer. It's like a super smart friend who helps Tony manage everything from cooking breakfast to running the Iron Man suits. Imagine if your computer could talk to you and help with your homework. That's just how smart JARVIS is. But there's more. Tony has invented tiny robots called nanobots. These super small robots can build things quickly, a little like magic. Imagine if your favorite toy breaks and you could fix it instantly with the help of nanobots. They could even form new Iron Man suits in seconds. That's how advanced and useful these little robots are. Finally, let's talk about a special tech piece called the arc reactor. This glowing circle in the middle of Iron Man's chest is like the suit's heart. It's not just for decoration. The arc reactor gives almost limitless energy to power the suit. Imagine having a super battery that never runs out. You could play video games without ever charging your device. This invention is not only important for Iron Man, but could change the world by providing endless energy. In conclusion, Iron Man's technologies are not just for fighting villains. They show how imagination, combined with science, can create amazing things. From flying suits to intelligent computers, these inventions could inspire the future of technology and make our world a better, more exciting place. So next time you read about Iron Man, just remember, behind the mask is a brilliant inventor who's always working on the next big breakthrough.